Hello and welcome to Ace the English Hub. This is our 6th video in English grammar and its usage series. In this video, we visit the second member of sentence family, that is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It acts as a proxy for a noun and does all the functions of the noun it stands for. Based on function and meaning, there are 9 kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun is the first kind of pronoun. There are 3 persons in English grammar. The person speaking is called as the first person. I is the singular form of first person and we is the plural form. The person spoken to is called as the second person. You is the singular and plural form of second person. The person or thing spoken of is called as the third person. He, she, and it are the singular forms and they is the plural form. The second kind of pronoun is reflexive pronouns. Pronouns formed by adding self to my, you, him, her, it, and selves to our, your, and them. These are called as compound personal pronouns. When compound personal pronouns are used as objects, they are known as reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun reflects back upon a sentence's subject. The third form is emphatic pronoun. When the compound personal pronouns are used for emphasis, they are specifically called emphatic pronouns. They usually occur immediately after the nouns and pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Those pronouns that are used for asking questions are called as interrogative pronouns. Who, whose, whom, what, and which are the 5 interrogative pronouns. Now let's see an example. Jack and Jill built a house on top of a hill. They named it Twinkle. Looking at the beautiful house, he asked Jill, "Are you happy?" She replied, "Yes, I am very happy." Together they said aloud, "We are very happy to be in the new house." On Christmas Eve, they decorated the new house themselves. Jack himself made the stars and Jill herself made the cakes. The angels, seeing the beautiful house, asked one another, "Who dwells in this beautiful house?" Seeing Jack and Jill sitting happily in the beautiful garden, the angels showered blessings upon them. In this example, they, it, he, you, she, I, and we are the personal pronouns. Themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Himself and herself are the emphatic pronouns. Who is the interrogative pronoun. That's all for today. We'll meet you next Thursday with the other 4 kinds of pronouns. Thank you.